It is Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be installing Bobbi Boss's Brazilian deep twist. It comes packaged like this. I got it in the color number 2. I used 5 packs. I bought 6, but I only used 5, and they were $6.99 a pack. If y'all want to see how I achieve this style, go ahead and just keep on watching.
Alright y'all, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I wanted to try a different hair by Bobbi Boss. The one I tried before was the Brazilian water wave, and this is just me showing you the loop of the hair. This hair, it was really easy to install. The only thing that I still struggle with is doing the invisible part. Like one side I did correctly, and then the other side I didn't do correctly, so I really need to get that together because I really do like the look. But with this hair, I knotted it between 3 to 5 times. Some parts I knotted just once, but I think this hairstyle, it took me maybe 3 hours to do because I stopped and took breaks. But so far I do like this hair. I got it in the color number 2 from my local beauty supply, and I really like the curl. I bought 6 packs. I ended up only using 5, and I don't know, like 6 packs is like my lucky number. But yeah, and y'all know I like to do my braiding pattern, which I start with the braids and then I do the zigzag pattern in the back. That is what is easiest for me to do. And y'all don't be looking at my kitchen. Like, I need to like cut some of that hair back there because it's looking real rough. But yeah, I added some new things to the video, some new pop-ups and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But with this hair, I only had to knot it between 3 to 5 times. Some hairs, depending on how soft they are, like if they're really soft, you have to knot them more. But y'all, let me know in the comments, do any of you guys struggle with doing the invisible part? Do you even do the invisible part? Let me know, because y'all, I was getting so frustrated, and then I watched like videos and people make it look so easy, and I just cannot seem to get the hang of it to like save my life. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I got some new subscribers. Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy all of the content that I put out there, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, so right here, this is me showing you that this is 3 packs of hair so far, and I did not split the hair at all. I had one fat curl that I did split, and then once I tried to do my invisible part, once I tried to do my invisible part, then I split the hair once. But yeah, so that's what I was